Guys, I just wanted to show you how you can get to your grades here on Canvas so you can know what's missing, what's pending, and what hasn't been graded just yet. So if you're here on my Canvas homepage, you'll see that there's this little button here called Graded Work. If you can't see this little button here, you can also go here on this little tab. You'll see that there's a tab called Grades. If you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. Now then, all of the assignments or all of the work that you all have needed to submit is right here, and the names of them can be found here on the left. For instance, we have Participation 1, Participation 2, here's CFA Topic 1, Quiz 2, and so on and so forth. Now there's only one additional column I want you all to pay attention to. That is going to be the score column. If the score column has a hyphen or this negative looking symbol, this means that you have not turned it in. That means that the score does not exist, so you need to do this assignment. Let's look at another one. Look at Participation 2. There's an actual score there. That means you've done the assignment, it's been graded, and this is your score for the assignment. If we look at this other icon right here, this tells us that I'm working on the grade for that one. So if you see a rocket, that's letting you know that it's still pending grading, okay? So as you can see from my test student, he has a lot of hyphens or the negatives, right? So these are the assignments that he needs to turn in. Now, say you want to get started, right? Well, you know, it'd be hard to go through the modules and look for everything. But hey, all you have to do, guys, if you want to get started on an assignment, you go ahead and just click on it here, and it'll pop you right to it. Okay? So let's say, for instance, I want to see Quiz 3, right? I'm missing it here. Okay, I want to go ahead and attempt Quiz 3. I'll go to Submit Assignment. And guess what? Look at that. It pops up right here on the screen. It takes me directly to the page, and it tells you all the instructions and so on and so forth, guys. So that's one way that you can get caught up on your grades or look at what you're pending for your grade, okay?